How to pay bills online using US Bank Bill Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay your bills online using US Bank Bill Pay right from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button at the top right corner and after that simply enter your personal ID and password on the next page to log in to your account. And now here, once you have access to your account dashboard, there you can see the option labeled as Bill Pay. So simply click on it and after that, if this is your first time, you need to add a pay. So just click on add a company or person and then enter the biller's name, account number and payment address. And here, once added, the payee will be saved for future payments. And to make a payment, just select the payee and enter the amount. And after that, choose the date you wanted to send and pick the account to pay from. And with that, you will see the confirmation screen. So review the details and just click submit payment. And after that, you will see a confirmation screen once it's scheduled. And there, with that, you can also set a recurring payments for regular bills like rent or utilities. So just choose make recurring during the setup and customize the frequency. And that's it. That's how you can pay bills online with the US Bank Bill Pay. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.